Welcome to Astral's expense reimbursement system. This is login page. Please enter your login ID and password. Let the domain be the default value of your company. Click on Login button to continue. This is dashboard, which will give you key information about your expenses, such as on left side of your screen, you can see quick links that will help you to access most frequently used menu options, such as voucher listing, expense claim. The other widget is notification. It will show you expenses recently approved. The document list widget will give you access to documents, such as your expense policy. And there are few expense graphs available for your view, like quarterly expense graph, monthly expense graph. These will show how many expenses are claimed this month, where expenses has been spent more, which are the top expenses. Now, click on eXBA button on the top right corner of the screen. This will show you list of modules in the system such as expense module and admin module. Now, let us see how to enter expenses in the system. Click on expense module button. This is expense dashboard. In this dashboard, it will show you status of your expenses, such as expenses approved by accounts. Click on expense menu and select voucher listing option. This screen will first show you any draft vouchers that are not yet submitted to manager for approval. To enter new voucher, click on New Voucher button on the right side corner. This will bring new screen for you to create new expense voucher. Depending on your need, you can select voucher type from the given drop-down menu, such as conveyance voucher, mobile voucher, etc. Based on the voucher, you will see some fields are enabled. Example, in general voucher, currency is disabled. In case of conveyance voucher, new field voucher month is shown, with list of months. In case of foreign voucher, currency field is enabled for user to select expense currency. For the purpose of the demo, let us select general voucher. Enter purpose, to give some narration, such as voucher for the month of. Select your expense type for the list of drop-down, such as local conveyance, enter amount, and click on the small n icon below the amount. This will pop up a new screen, allowing you to enter local conveyance expense specific information, such as mode of transport as taxi. Click Save to save that information. Next, attachment section will be shown. You can enclose any supportings available for that expense. Click on Browse button, and select file that you would like to attach as supporting for this expense. Add any short description, if required. And click Attach button to enclose the file. You can see the enclosed file below and also you can open the same. Next, click on Notes bar, to add notes related to that local conveyance expense. In case you are physically submitting supporting, please mark in Bills Submitted box. Please write short and meaningful notes explaining the conveyance expenses. If required, you can write any additional comments for the approval. Click on Save button, to save. That's it. It's that simple. You have successfully saved your conveyance expenses. Now, if you want to add more expenses to the same voucher, click on Add Line button on right side of the screen. In this example, I am selecting mobile expense. Enter amount, and click on small n button to enter notes. This will pop up a new screen, allowing you to enter mobile expense specific information, such as bill number, bill period from, and to. Select appropriate period of your mobile bill. System will validate that you have not entered any other bill for the same bill period. Click Save to save that information. Next, attachment section will be shown. You can enclose if any supportings for that expense. Click on Browse button, and select file that you would like to attach as supporting for this expense. Add any short description, if required. And, click Attach button to enclose the file. You can see the enclose file below and also you can open the same. Next, add notes related to that mobile expense. Please write short and meaningful notes. Click on Save button to save. That's it. It's that simple. You have successfully saved your mobile expenses. Now, click on Save button on top right corner. This will save your full voucher as a draft. Which means, you can open this voucher and add more expenses before sending it for approval. Once saved, you will see small pop-up showing you the confirmation. Click on OK button to continue. Now, on left side of the screen, under Expense List tab, you can see both expenses. That is, mobile and conveyance expenses. The Expense Summary tab will show you Summary of Total Expense, and Currency-Wise Total tab will show you Currency-Wise Summary of Total Expenses. Now, let us look at some more options available on the screen. If you click on Weekly Expenses button, you will see list of all expenses that you have entered in different vouchers for that week. This will help you to check whether you have entered all your expenses for that week. Click on Close. You have another options to quickly navigate to previous month, previous week, or next month, next week, or jump to any specific date. Also, if you wish to delete your voucher, you can delete the same. Just click on Delete Voucher button on the right side of the screen. Now, let us send this voucher for approval. Click on Send for Approval button. That's it. Now, your voucher has gone to your approval manager for approval. Anytime, you can see the status of your voucher as well. See the Pending for Approval tab, and you can see all your voucher which are pending for approval, and with whom it is pending for approval. Here, instead of approver, you will see manager's name or with accounts department, with whom it is pending for approval. In the other tabs shown, you will see your voucher in respective tab, based on the current status of your voucher. Like, Approved tab will show you all your approved vouchers. You have just seen how easy it is to claim your expenses. In case of any help, please contact your help desk. Now go ahead and claim your expenses through the system. We thank you for watching the video.